Hello everyone. This is a introduction to the course of microprocessor and microcontroller laboratory. This is the course which has been designed for the 5th semester BTech students of electronics and communication engineering. In this course, you would be having every week one laboratory session. Into this laboratory session, we will be discussing the programs on 8086 microprocessor and 8051 microcontroller. Coming in detail about this course, this is a 1 credit course, and overall here for this course we will be awarding you 100 marks. Out of these 100 marks, 40 marks are a continuous internal evaluation, which would be evaluated for the every week. And next one, you would be having end semester examination. There would be a 16 marks. So, throughout the course, we will be learning the programs which are being listed over here. These programs are assembly language programs on 8-bit and 16-bit arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division would be discussed. Later on, the programs on finding the sum of n-bit numbers, average of n-bit numbers, multi-byte numbers, addition, then logical programs like finding out the largest among a series of numbers, smallest among a series of numbers, then sorting the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Then the programs on strings would be discussed, like comparison of two strings, moving a data from data segment into the extra segment, finding the number of ones in a string would be discussed. Then relating to the code conventions, converting a binary data to BCD, BCD to binary, binary to ASCII would be discussed. Next one, these are the few of the interfacing programs. We will be discussing an interfacing programs on DAC, generation of a triangular wave, generation of a staircase wave, generation of a sawtooth, a square waveform. This would be discussed. Later on, interfacing of LEDs and LCD would be discussed. And moving to the 8051 microcontroller programs, we will be having the programs on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then will be the same repetitive procedure. We will be discussing the programs on largest and smallest of a number, and we will be discussing the code conversion programs and few of the interfacing programs. To facilitate with these programs, we are having a microprocessor and microcontroller laboratory manual. In the department, you can go through that manual. Along with this one, you are having one textbook, which is an DV Hall textbook. It is a prescribed textbook. You can go through that one. These are the 4 course learning outcomes. The first one is this course will develop the assembly language programming on 8086 microprocessor to perform arithmetic sorting, string operations, and delay calculations. Develop DAC, LED stepper motor interfacing using and it would be help in developing the 8051 arithmetic data programs. And the fourth outcome is it will be able to design interfacing of applications for 8051 microcontroller. And this is the Kerr's articulation matrix, which is for the 4 COs as well as the POs, how these are being framed up. So every week we will be doing the programs on emulator or any online tool. You can discuss this program. Thank you everyone.